you know that you can start a t-shirt business today without buying a single shirt, without holding stocks, and you will still make sales worldwide? Yes, believe me, because people are already making money by turning simple designs, yes, so into a full-time income. And in this video, I will show you exactly how you can start making your own money selling t-shirts online, even if you have no money to start. And one thing you're supposed to understand if you want to begin this line of business is that you don't need to buy bulk t-shirts or rent a shop. This model is called print on demand. That means you only print when there is a demand. This means you upload your design which you have made on platforms like Teespring, Printify, Mesh by Amazon, and the rest of them. So this platform will be in charge of handling the printing, shipping this t-shirt to your customer, and they will also be in charge of the customer service. And you are going to earn for every sales they have made. That means your own work is just for you to design. So just design this t-shirt and upload it on this platform. They are going to handle everything. People will buy it, and in turn you are going to earn money. This is one of the surest way you will earn money online. So I'm going to be breaking it down to you. My name is Basi Ejogba, and in my channel I help people want to level up their online game. So if you love content like this, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button so that I can continue getting updates anytime I drop helpful videos like this. So let's go. So there are basically 4 ways in which you can begin this business model, which is known as the print on demand. The first way is to find your niche. So you say find your niche, and this is where I used to have problem with a lot of people, because when it comes to doing a particular business like this, a lot of people get confused. But it is very important to find your niche. A niche is simply what you want to do. What kind of, you want to print t-shirt, right? What kind of t-shirt do you want to print? So you have to be very specific on the type of t-shirt you want to print. Do you want to print for pet lovers? So you can say, example, pet lovers. You can say, okay, print for medical students, right? So medical students or students in general. Or it can be what? Motivational, right? It can be motivational quote and stuff like that. So you must particularly know what you want to do. You get my point? So you must particularly know what you want to do on this platform, the kind of t-shirt you want to print. So it doesn't need to be very complicated. Just be specific what you want to do. And when you are very specific, it helps to make you stand out very easy from the rest of the people who are also doing the same business model like you. The second way, which is the number 2, right? After finding your niche, is to design your t-shirt. So you have to design your t-shirt. So let's assume you want to use you want to go for motivational quote. You can say, okay, giving up is not an option. So you see, this is your quote. Giving up is not an option. So that is basically your quote. If you are going for the motivational quote, for example, giving up is not an option. To design this t-shirt, all what you just need to do is to go on to Canva, right? So when you go on to Canva will allow you to design your t-shirt. And you don't need to be a professional graphic designer before you can be able to design your t-shirt on Canva. Canva has made everything so simple for you, right? So you just have to design your t-shirt using Canva and put in just some words. So you don't need to go and write books on that clothes. Just write 1 or 2 things like, okay, no pain, no gain, right? Little words like that can easily go viral, and it can make your shirt sell, right? People want to get your shirt and stuff like that. So your words must be minimal. The third is, after designing your shirt, the third way is upload. So you have to upload your t-shirt. There are a lot of platforms that enable you upload your t-shirt. Platforms like Teespring. So we have Teespring. We have Printify. We have Mesh by Amazon. Right? So these are platforms that you can upload your t-shirt on, your t-shirt design on. Now this platform, all what you just have to do is to design. This platform will be in charge of printing this design, shipping this design to their buyer, and also in charge of the customer service. So basically all what you are required to do is just to design this t-shirt and upload on any of this platform that you want. So I think this platform, there are a lot of them. We have Redbubble, and thousands of them. Just choose anyone that you want, upload this your design, your t-shirt design on this platform, and they will be in charge of handling everything for you. Then the number 4 is to promote, right? So you have to promote your t-shirt, and you can promote your t-shirt on social media. You can promote your t-shirt social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, right? You can even use what Google or apps. So you just have to promote, just let people know that this is what I am doing. Promote this t-shirt, and if people find it, like if they love it, if they find, oh, this t-shirt is cool, it's nice, they will purchase it, right? So you must learn how to purchase, or you must learn how to promote your t-shirt in order for you to make sales. So this is basically what it entails for you to begin this business. I've talked about you finding your niche, designing your t-shirt, uploading on this platform, and promoting your t-shirt. So that is just how it is. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting helpful videos like this. And also drop it in the comment section which of this niche we are going to try right away, and I'm going to make a detailed step-by-step video on it. Until I see you in my next video, always remember that you're wonderful, always remember that you're unique, and always remember that you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.